Hello everyone, today my topic is data designing deterministic finite automata. Deterministic finite automata DFA. One way infinite tape broken into cells. One way read only type head. Finite control, that is, finite control of states and transition rules between them. A program containing the position of the red head, current symbol being scanned, and current state. A string is placed on the tape. Read head is positioned at the left end, and the DFA will read the string one symbol at a time until all symbols have been read. The DFA will then either accept or reject the string. The finite control can be described by a transition diagram, described by a transition diagram or table. Example 1. One state is final or accepting, all others are rejecting. The above DFA accepts those strings that contain an even number of zeros, including the null string, or sigma. L is equals to all strings with 0 or more zeros. Note, the DFA must reject all other strings. Note, machine is for accepting a language. Language is the purpose. Many equivalent machines may accept the same language, but a machine cannot accept multiple languages. IDs of the characters or states are irrelevant. You can call them by any names. Sigma is equals to 0, 1, that is A, B. States Q0, Q1, U, V, as long as they have identical transition table. An equivalent machine to the previous example. One state is final or accepting, all others are rejecting. The above DFA accepts those strings that contain an even number of zeros, including null string or sigma. Can you draw a machine for a language by excluding the null string from the language? Inductive proof that the machine correctly accepts strings with at least two C's. Proof goes over the length of the string. Base. X is a string with mod x equals 0. State will be Q0 is rejected. Inductive hypothesis. Mod Q is equals to integer K and string X is rejected. Instead Q0. Inductive steps. Each case of symbol P for string XP, the last symbol P is equals to A, B or C. Formal definition of a DFA. DFA is a phi tuple M is equals to Q sigma psi Q0 F. Q means a finite set of states. Sigma means a finite input language. Q0 means the initial or starting state. Q0 is in Q. F, a set of final or accepting states which is a subset of Q. Sigma, a state function which is a total function from Q into E to Q. Initially, Q is the state entered by M after reading symbol S while in state Q. Revisit example. Q is equals to Q0. Another example. Example 2. Extension of sigma to strings. The state entered after reading string W having started in state Q. Formally, Q is for all when we call example. Example 3. Definitions related to DFS. Let M is equals to Q sigma psi Q0 F be a DFA and let W be in sigma. Then W is accepting by M if sigma Q0, W is equals to P for some state P in F. Let M is equals to Q, sigma, psi, Q0, F be a DFA, then the language accepted by M is the set. L is equals to L of M is equals to W slash W is in sigma and psi Q0 W is in F. Another equivalent definition. So these are some of the examples. That's it. Thank you.